Thank you so much for watching my videos. Now, I was contacted by a nonprofit that is actually doing something on Friday for our veteran dads. They asked me to provide a raffle gift. I actually needed to make 2 raffle gifts. I have a quarterama coming up on June 22nd, and then Friday they have an event for these vets. They're going to do like hamburgers and hot dogs and just tell these dads thank you so much for being amazing. Now, these are really inexpensive gifts. They are from the Dollar Tree, and they are $10, or you can even do it $10 or less. They're exactly $10. So you have that $10 to spare. You don't want to go out and spend a lot of money. These are some ideas for you just in case you are on a limited budget, or you have one of those kids that are like, I really want to get my dad something. I really want to get my uncle something. I really want to get my godfather something. And you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, but you still want to give them something nice. I think these are some nice little gifts to give out to a dad. So, I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Coupons for Charity. The link to follow me on Instagram will be in the description box. I am doing a giveaway on there, as well as I'm giving a Bath & Body Works gift card on my Bath & Body Works haul. So if you have not entered that, make sure to click on that and enter to win. That'll be at the end of this video, and it's also a collab video. So I'm super excited for you guys to check that out and enter that giveaway. And there are 3 chances to win on there. And then I'm also having a giveaway for my coupon kit. So every month I give out an extreme coupon kit. A coupon kit is a coupon binder, a planner, and all of the coupon accessories you're going to need to either start your couponing journey or continue on your couponing journey. So it's Mickey and Minnie Mouse themed. I think you guys are really going to like it. So if you have not checked that out, that'll be the end of the video and in the description box. So let's go ahead and take a look at these raffle gifts. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Okay, so the first gift idea I thought of for Father's Day, and this is a pretty inexpensive gift idea, and everything from this gift is from the Dollar Tree. So we have a bucket here. I decided to do like a men's car wash type thing. So I have some sunblock here because, you know, usually when the guys wash their cars, it's usually during the morning or mid-afternoon when the sun is out, and we need to have that UV protection. So this is from the Dollar Tree. I have the Sports 30 SPF. I have some Armor All multi-purpose auto cleaner, and that is from the Dollar Tree. A little tree from the Dollar Tree. I have some car wash that we're going to use in this bucket, and some carpet and upholstery cleaner. And then we have the Armor All wheel cleaning wipes, as well as a handy chamois to wash that car with, and then a shrink wrap pull and bow. Now inside the bucket, I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with some newspaper to fill it up, and then we'll place our items. Some extra decorative shred from the Dollar Tree. I decided to go ahead and use it. Now you can definitely use tissue. I do have tissue at the bottom, newspaper on the top, and I'm just going to place my items and make it look really cute, and then we'll shrink wrap it. This is the way I placed everything. I put the sunblock, the car wash, everything looks really nice, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my shrink wrap pull and bow. I'm going to shrink wrap this, and this is a really nice inexpensive Father's Day gift that you can either give to your father, have your child give it to their father, or even like a coworker or friend that you know enjoys cars and washing their cars. A really nice inexpensive gift, and it was under $10. Well, it was exactly $10. So really great idea for this, super cheap, especially if you have a kid that is not working or anything and wants to give their dad something really, really bad, but you don't want to spend a lot of money. This is a great idea for an awesome Father's Day gift. So let me go ahead and shrink wrap it. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So here is the first gift ideas, exactly $10. I did reverse the shrink wrap pull and bow. I did it in the opposite direction, upside down. I placed the bag over the product, and then I just shrink wrapped it. I like it. I think I just need to play around with it a little bit more to get it a little bit more polished looking, but I do think it does look really, really nice. I think whoever receives this would be really happy. Okay, let's take a look at my other Father's Day Dollar Tree gift idea. Father's Day gift idea is something really simple and easy. This blanket was from Walmart, and it was I bought it on Black Friday for like $1.50, but you don't have to use the blanket. I just added it as something extra. Everything else is basically from the Dollar Tree. So if you saw my Dollar Tree haul, you know I hauled some popcorn, I hauled 2 movies, I have the Tekken 2, and then the blind, Seeing is Deceiving. I have some Whoppers from the Dollar Tree. I have some Mike and Ike's from the Dollar Tree. And I also have some M&Ms from the Dollar Tree. Now, I added an In-N-Out gift card because this is actually for a raffle. But if I didn't have that or the blanket, this would be still a really nice gift. Just add 2 bottles of pop and you are good to go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to stuff half of this with newspaper because I have the blanket here that's going to take up the other half of the space. I'm also going to tape my In-N-Out gift card probably in the front right here, so it kind of shows. So let me go ahead and put this together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. This is a really inexpensive gift to make, especially if you don't want to do the In-N-Out gift card. You can always take that out, replace a blanket if you don't have one with 2 bottles of soda. That would be really cute. And I think this is a really nice Father's Day gift as well, or a birthday gift, or somebody, coworker. These are really nice gifts just to hand out. Now everything is basically from the Dollar Tree except for the blanket and of course the In-N-Out gift card. But all in all, this would have cost me $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 with the shrink and wrap, and let's say you added 2 bottles of pop, that'd be $10 gift right there. Really inexpensive, really nice little gift to give to on Father's Day. Now I'm gonna go ahead and shrink wrap this the regular way and show you guys how it looks when it's complete. Okay guys, so this gift is complete. I think it came out really nice. We got our gift card in there. We have our movies and we have our blanket and we have our candy and our snacks and our popcorn. So this is a really great raffle gift. This one will be for raffle. This one is for a Father's Day celebration. So really great ideas, especially if you have a Dollar Tree by you and you need something inexpensive and you're on a limited budget. These are nice gifts to still give out to Dad. Now I hope you guys are having a fabulous, blessed day. I hope this video really helped you out a lot and gave you some ideas of your own. And yeah, you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to enter those 2 giveaways, and I will be talking to you guys real soon. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!